guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a full head install of Bellami Infinity Wefts, and I'm actually going to be doing 3 rows. My client does have, I would say, medium density hair, and it is a little bit blunt, the haircut. So because of that reason, I am going to be doing 1 row at the nape. I like to do this as it builds coverage immediately, and it just helps to create that weight line so that when my client wears her hair forward, she doesn't have a disconnect between her natural hair and between the extensions. So for this first row, it's going to be about 1 inch above the nape, which on my client is about halfway across her ears. Always making sure that I'm leaving 1 inch away from the hairline, and then I'm going to start by doing my beaded foundation, flipping that up, and then I put 1 weft underneath and then 1 weft on top. Because they are infinity wefts, my preferred way to install them is a hidden row, and this is the same at that nape area. So just doing 2 layers, 1 under, 1 on top, and then I'm just sewing that all into place. For my next row, I'm going to be working 1 inch above from this row here. So once I've finished this off, I will then go ahead and start sectioning for that second row. So the second row is about 1 inch above, like you can see here, and I'm always making sure it's at least 1 inch above from the ears as well, because I want to make sure when my client wears her hair up, you're not going to see any visible points of attachment. Again, I'm doing a hidden row for this as well, because I want to make sure that everything is hidden and you're not going to see any of those beads. So I start just by measuring out that weft, and then I like to have it a little bit longer than that foundation, because then what I do is I'll fold it over so I'm hiding any areas that have been cut, because with the infinity wefts we can cut them. One thing you'll also notice is I'm using multiple colours for the install. So I'm actually using the shade Jet Black and Off Black, because my client's hair colour is in between the two. So this is going to create the perfect mix and blend for her hair. I went in and I did about 4 infinity wefts on this row, but you can still see it lies really nice and flat because those infinity wefts are so thin. I'll also flip up once I've done and just make sure that there's no little cross hairs or hairs within there that don't need to be there. So I ended up doing 3 rows of those infinity wefts. I didn't show the 3rd row, and it's the same placement as I do in all my other videos, but I did want to show you the keratin. So I did actually go in and fill the sides with some keratin hair extensions. I love these. They are so small. I actually bonded these myself, and I used a coloured keratin so that they're really seamless. This is the finished result. I love that blend of colours. I feel like it just matches her natural hair perfectly, and it looks super shiny because we also did a keratin treatment on my guest, and of course freshened up her colour. Let me know what you guys think, and please, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.